Here is how to export a chat in WhatsApp. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open WhatsApp on your phone and then you'll reach this page. Once you're here, you just have to go to the chat which you want to export. So let's say I want to export this chat. Then once you've opened the chat, you'll see this page, and on the top right, you'll see 3 dots. Just click on them, click on more, and you'll find this option, export chat. Just click on this. So WhatsApp has exported this chat as a file, and you have multiple options. You can save it if you want, WhatsApp it to someone, send it via Gmail. So based on what you want to do, you can select that option. For now, I'll just save to my files, and I'll click on save. And now I'll just open it to show you how it's saved. So here I've come to my files, and the chat is stored as a zip file. So first we'll have to unzip it. Just long click on it, and you'll find an option to unzip based on your device. So in my phone, I'll have to click on more and then extract files. Click on OK. And now a new file would be created, and you can click on it. And as you can see, the chat has come here. This is the format. They've given the date, the time, and the messages for the entire chat. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.